Hi, and welcome back to my channel. So this is a short video just to share some findings on AliExpress. This time I bought some variable resistors. So one comes in this box. Basically you can choose any resistance from basically 0 to 10 kilo ohm by moving these knobs here. And the other is this much smaller variable resistor board where you can select the resistance by moving these jumpers, okay? And you can choose from 0 or rather to 1 ohm to almost 10 mega ohms, so 9.999999 mega ohms, okay? So I found, as I said, these things on AliExpress. The board, as you can see here, is very cheap. It costs about 2 euros. And if you buy two of them like I did, you pay a total of 5 euros shipping included. And the box is this box that you can have shipping included for around 10 euros. Yeah, so they are pretty inexpensive. The box comes in this enclosure with some basic information about the ratings of the resistors. So, the 1 ohm, for example, is rated for a maximum 0.9 ampere. I don't know, the 50 ohm is rated for 0.13 ampere. So this gives you basically the maximum wattage that this box can absorb safely. And and this actually comes in these electrostatic enclosures in a small packet. Okay. Right, so let me just show you how they work. I mean, if they work actually. So here I have a multimeter, a resistance meter, an LCR tester. So this is definitely not a precise instrument, okay? And so these are not as well, okay? So these are, I think, good for the hobbyist like myself. If you prototype something quickly on a breadboard, it's very handy to be able to, just choose very quickly a resistance rather than, finding the right resistors on the junk box, these type of things. Or at least this is the reason why I bought them. And so let me show you how the box works. Yeah, the connectors here are these just metal places where you can attach some banana plugs. So like this. And so let's say I have set here on my meter, I hope you can see the range 20 kilo ohm. At the moment is measuring 5 kilo ohm point 51. And here I have set, as you can see, 5 kilo ohm plus 500 ohm plus 30 ohm plus 6. So 5536. So it's very close to this value, okay? So let me try something else. 7 kilo ohm, 7, let's say 7777, okay? And as you can see, we get something very close to that. On the lower range, let me put a 0 here, so we have just 777, and there it is. I can increase the resolution, and as you can see, we are only about 5 ohm. So let me I don't know, try 5 5 5, and there it is. So it's pretty nice, as you can see. So let me decrease even more. Let's go in the 200 ohm range. So it's 5.5 at the moment. Pretty close. 55.1 here. And I don't know, let me try to put 33 and 33.4 measured. Let me go down to 3, measure 3.4, 4.4, 5.4. So it very well be that there could be, let's see, at 0. Yeah, it's 0.4, okay? So it could be either this having a small internal resistance of half a ohm when it's all set to 0, or even this multimeter not properly calibrated. I don't know. These are, as I say, they're both not precise things. But as you can see, the relative increase here is exactly 1 ohm. 2.4, 3.4, 4.4, 5.4. And so yeah, I'm pretty happy really. Let's say 87 6.1. Yeah, okay. So this box I'm very happy with. So let me show you how it is inside very quickly. So the box just comes, I mean, it has 4 screws, so let me very quickly unscrew it. 1, 2. Yeah, I don't know, maybe I will cut this part in the editing section of the video, I don't know. And 4. And so when you remove the screws, it opens just like this. And as you can see, it's a very basic design. So the 2 terminals are here, and each knob, when you move it, just does some contacts and the appropriate place, and so activate one of the resistors, as you can see. And then there is basically this path, so the 4 resistors that are being activated are summed up. Okay, so I don't know how long it will last, but let's say for 10 euros, shipping included, I'm very happy with it. I think it's gonna be handy to, you know, for simple project. Again, nothing where quality or accuracy really matters too much, but as you saw, it's pretty close to, I mean, the values are pretty accurate. Okay, so let me put it aside now and show you also this thing here. This has the advantage of being much cheaper. So for 10 euros you can buy 5 of these, shipping included. So for 10 euros. And so let me just test it. So here you connect, basically there are these 2 connector pins, as you can see here. So let me connect to them. One here and one there. They are pretty small, so there is the risk with these plugs. So let me change plugs actually. It's better to use this type of connectors. Okay, so we don't risk. Let's see, they're very close actually, so. Yeah, of course, this small thing is not as handy, but it's much cheaper. So, so let me see. So, okay, the 2 things are not touching each other. Okay, at the moment, the jumper are set to 9990000. So 900 ohm, 99. So let me put to the correct thing. Oh, wow, this is spot on actually. So let's see what happens with if I add, let's say, a 5 here, so 5 kilo ohm by 999. Let me increase the range. Wow, spot on again, so 6 kilo ohm. Let me try to add 20 kilo ohm here, just to try, 30 actually. Okay, so you have to increase. So I'm getting indeed a 35.9. Wow, this seems to be actually more accurate than the box, so I'm very happy about this. It says accuracy 1% and power half a watt. Okay, so it's actually very, very fast to use. So suppose I want to set 700 kilo ohm plus let's say, let me put 700 7 and 7. We put all 7s, okay? 7 and 0. Okay, so this is 777, sorry, 700 kilo ohm, so 777 kilo ohm and 700 ohm. So let's see, 78. Okay, so at this range, that's the measurement. Anyway, it's very easy and fast to use, and it seems to be, yeah, 77 there for a second it was there. So let me try on the lower range again, just to get something more accurate, some more accurate readings. So let's see what it says on the smallest scale. So at the moment I have 0, and again it's measuring 0.04. So I think this meter is you know, it has an offset also of basically 0.4 ohm, which was what was shown also when this was set at 0. Okay, and so I don't know, let me put 7 ohm. Yeah, 7.5, so 7.4 as you see, which is exactly 7 ohm in reality. Let's me try with 77.3. So yeah, this is spot on. I think it's this is extremely very good value for the €2 and something that you pay for it. Okay, so that's all for this video. I'm very happy about this investment, and I see you next time. Bye bye.